Hello, welcome to our factory. We are the biggest manufacturer in China who produce helmet vending machines. We have two model options. The first model has one compartment, support one helmet clean. The model number is HL helmet B01. Another model has two compartments, support two helmets clean at the same time. The model number is HL helmet B02. The touch screen is 15.6 inch size, support different languages including English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Indonesia, and so on. The payment system supports bills, coins, credit cards, and some countries support QR code. We can write the whole machine with your logo and your designs. Machines support 3 different cleaning modes: faster cleaning, standard cleaning, and deep cleaning. Each clean mode can set different cleaning times and prices. It uses steam and UV light for disinfection and PTC heating technology for quick drying. There are also different perfume options to leave the helmet fresh and smells good after clean. Okay, now let me show you how it works. First, choose the clean mode and perfume. Okay, make payment. The door will turn to green. The first step is dust removal. The second step is steam spraying. UV light and steam for disinfection. At the same time, we can use the second container. We can clean the second helmet. Wow, it's full drying. Smells good.